Hello, word. Welcome, everyone. I'm Alex, your friendly host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on another exciting language learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore a word that makes the world a more vibrant and joyful place: dance. Dance, as an A1 level noun, means movement to music. It's a beautiful way to express yourself, tell a story, or simply have fun. In everyday language, we use dance to describe a specific type of performance, an activity we enjoy, or even a social event. For example, you might say, "I love to watch ballet dance," or "she's going to school dance tonight." Now, let's dive into some synonyms for dance. One common synonym is boogie. You could say, "Let's boogie to our favorite song at the party." Another word that is close in meaning is groove. For instance, he likes to groove to jazz music in his free time. You might also hear the word jig, especially when referring to Irish folk dance. Example: they performed a lively jig at the festival. Another synonym is hop, though this is usually used for informal and energetic dance. Example: we're going to hop around in the living room. One more synonym is disco, associated with the disco era of dance. For example, "Let's go to the disco tonight and show our moves." Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of dance. While there isn't a perfect opposite for dance as an activity, we can think about words that describe stillness or a lack of movement. One antonym could be stillness. Imagine a statue. It represents complete stillness. Example: the statue stood in perfect stillness. Another possible antonym is idleness, which implies inactivity. Example: the cat spent the afternoon in complete idleness. A third contrasting concept is rest. This implies a period of inactivity for recuperation. For instance, after a long day of work, I need rest. Another antonym could be immobility. Example: due to the injury, she experienced immobility in her leg. Lastly, the word pause can signify a stop in action, thereby contrasting with the continuous movement of dance. For example, there was a brief pause in the music. How can you use dance in everyday life? Well, you can say, "I have a dance class at 4 p.m., or "Would you like to go to the dance with me?" You could also say, "That was a beautiful dance performance." Common expressions include the dance of life, which refers to the ups and downs and challenges we face. We might also talk about a rain dance, which is a symbolic dance performed to bring rain, though it's not always literal. Let's look at some more usage examples. She loves to dance to pop music. They are practicing a new dance routine. The dance floor was packed with people. He asked her for a dance at the wedding. The children were doing a silly dance. The tango is a passionate dance. Modern dance is very expressive. It's a slow dance. The final dance of the ballet was breathtaking. They learned a traditional folk dance. I enjoy watching the intricate dance of honeybees as they communicate the location of nectar. He joined a dance club to learn new steps. The rhythm of the music made me want to dance. They put on a captivating dance show for the community. The annual cultural dance competition is happening next week. She finds solace in dance after a stressful day at work. Learning to dance helped her overcome her shyness. The couple shared a romantic dance during their first date. The ancient rituals often involved specific dance movements. They hired a dance instructor to prepare for their wedding. The vibrant colors and energetic dance filled the streets during the festival. So, to recap, dance means movement to music. We explored synonyms like boogie, groove, jig, hop, and disco, and antonyms like stillness, idleness, rest, immobility, and pause. We also discussed how you can use dance in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word dance. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. Now, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word dance and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.